What's going on, guys? Rich Styles here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to groove. Alright, now the first thing you need to know about grooving is that you already know how to do it. Alright, see you guys later. Please like and subscribe. Alright, just kidding. What I mean by that is it's a natural thing that you already do. You just need to be more aware of it. The problem is I think that most people, when they start thinking about it, it kind of messes them up once they start to, actually think about, oh, I have to groove here, I have to groove there. No, it should be a natural thing that happens when you listen to the music. For example, if you ever been on like public transportation or anything, being from New York, I squished in subway transportation every friggin' day. What do you see? If you notice, if you look up from your cell phone once in a while, you'll actually see people that are listening to music, and then they'll actually have a little rhythm going, a little bounce going, and you can tell what kind of music it is just by looking at how their head moves. See, nothing else should be moving because you're in a really tight spot. You're in an elevator with like 10 people and you're still trying to groove. You're still grooving. You're just moving your head, and that's all that there is to it. It's like you're dancing, but then the groove is like the core. It's the center of the dance. It's what keeps you on time. It keeps you with the feel of the music, and it keeps you dancing even when you're not doing anything. What we're going to do is we're going to strip away all the bullshit, and we're going to take away all of the dance moves, okay? Because grooving, it's so much simpler if you just strip everything away. Don't do anything, and before you know it, you're going to start bobbing your head. You're going to start actually feeling it a little bit, right? Sometimes, if you don't know what the song is, it's going to take a little bit longer. And I think the best people that I've seen do this are poppers. Because even when they're battling and they're doing a dance showcase or something, they are always, feeling it first. There's always a good 10 seconds when they start dancing where they're just feeling out the music. They're grooving to it, especially if they don't know what the song is. They're always listening to it and trying to find the groove so that they can stay on beat. I don't really want to give too many step-by-step details, but I'm going to just give you a very, very simple one just so that you can get in your body and ingrained if you don't know what it is you're doing, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is I'm just going to do a back groove because this is my favorite kind of groove. This is what I use in every single dance that I'm doing. It's just a back groove. All I'm doing is going back, right? If I'm not moving anything except for my head, I'm emphasizing the back. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's all. That's all I do. That's everything that I do. Okay? The simpler the better, right? Less is more. Once you get that down, then you can start adding all those complicated fancy tricks, moves, whatever you want to do. You can do 2-step, 3-step, 5-step, I don't know, whatever, right? Use your arms. Then you can just walk, do whatever you want to do, add things to it, all right? You got to start in layers. That's how you start dancing. You gotta put it in layers. You gotta start from the beginning. You gotta learn your foundation. You gotta do all that stuff, all right? Okay, cool? Okay, cool. So that was a very easy, basic way to do it. So, exercise. This is what you're gonna do. All you're gonna do is put on some music. Listen to it. Don't dance, right? Don't dance. Stand still. What you're gonna notice is that you're gonna want to move around, because I don't know what it is about people and their ADD and stuff right now, but everyone has to move, right? So what it's gonna end up doing is, if you're gonna try to stay still and listen to your music, your energy and stuff is gonna come out through your head, right? It's gonna come out through your chest and your head and your core, stuff like that, and then you can start branching out into your arms and legs, all right? Listen to music. Don't do anything. Do less. Yeah. All right. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, leave in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll try to do my best to answer as many as I can. All right? Cool. Peace. Namaste. Bam.